Fellow residents of Mashonaland West Province, I address you today as Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution for Mashonaland West Province. In light of the calls that have been circulating on social media and other platforms urging citizens to participate in unrest and demonstrations on the 31st of July 2026 against the Constitutional Amendment Act of number 3. Let me begin by reaffirming government's commitment to the Constitution, the rule of law, and the fundamental freedoms enshrined therein, including the right to peaceful demonstration and assembly. However, rights also come with responsibilities. We have taken note of attempts by detractors of peace and development to mislead and incite members of the public into acts of violence, destruction of property, and also disruption of businesses, schools, farming activities, and essential services. I want to assure all citizens that our security services are in full alert to protect lives, property, and national infrastructure across all districts of Mashonaland West Province. Law and order will be maintained before, during, and after 31st of July. Schools, clinics, hospitals, markets, mines, farms, and all government services will remain open. We urge vendors, commuters, farmers, and workers to go on about their business without fear. Public transport will operate normally. Our security will be on full alert to ensure the safety of travelers and goods in all the places. Government is committed in engaging citizens through established constitutional channels. Any grievances regarding legislation can and should be addressed through Parliament, public consultations, and all the other democratic processes. I call upon all peace-loving people of Mashonaland West Province, traditional leaders, church leaders, farmers, students, transport operators, and the business community to reject 100% attempts to be used by these distractors of peace and development. The events of the past shown us that violence and unrest only destroy the progress that we have made under the devolution agenda and also Vision 2030. Mashonaland West Province is the breadbasket and gateway of Zimbabwe, with key contributions.
Zvinosirisa muri yeZimbabwe ndizvo zviri kuitika munyika medu. Isusu seZimu News Media tiripo pakutsvagira nyaya. Tinouya nenyaya semaonero atinenge tadziita, hatina chatinowedzera kana kutapudza. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell kuitira next time patino upload a video unoita wekutanga kusangana naro. Thank you so much for watching our video. For that, I am signing out.